In this video, I will teach you about the loops in Dev C++, for loop and while loop. So first we will start with while loop. Okay, so here we go. Int main. Okay, and we take a type of integer x, and x equals to, for example, 2, and here we write while x less than 10. This function will run when x becomes 9. After this function we will check the results. Okay, cout, here we write value of x becomes like this. Okay, and here we write x, and after that enter, and after this we write here x plus plus. Okay, and here return 0. So this is a function of while loop. So now we run this program and check the results of it. Write while loop. Okay, so see, uh, this program will run when x becomes up to 9. So now we change the number from 10 to, for example, 15. Okay, and again we run this program and check the results of it. See, this program runs when x becomes up to 14. So this is while loop for you. And now it's time for loop. Okay, for loop we open a new file for it. Okay, here we write again hash include file stream, using namespace std and int main. Okay, so like that we taking here a variable of int x, and for example x equals to 1, and for x equals to 1. Okay, and x less than and equals to 5, for example. Okay, and x plus plus, and here we write cout value of x becomes, here we write x, and the okay, and the closing bracket, and after that we write return 0. So this is a program for for loop. Now we run this program. Okay, here we write for loop. This program when x becomes up to 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now we change the numbers from 5 to like 10. Okay, and again run this program. So this program see 1 2 3 and up to 10. So this is for loop for you. So while loop mostly used for when we don't know the how many times we have to run this program, and for loop when we know how many times we should have run the program. So this is for loop and while loop. It's very simple. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe yet, so please subscribe our channel Pyric T.